Welcome back to ONDevs. I wanted to shoot this short video just to say three things. I've been uploading to this playlist called 50 Python exercises. The playlist already has more than 50 videos, but some of them are numbered like 16 and 16B. So we have two videos, but they share one number. However, I will upload exercise number 50 possibly the next 2 weeks. Secondly, I would like your suggestions on what videos you'd like me to shoot for you. It could be a specific Python topic, or maybe a particular exercise or a specific question that you'd like me to answer. So please, whatever it is that you'd like me to shoot, please write in the comments, then I will take that into consideration. Then number 3, I intend to shoot some lessons on Python for beginners, starting at the beginning. Maybe there'll be 10 videos or one long video or both. I haven't yet decided. So that should be sometime this month, July 2024. Also, as always, remember, if you want to be taught Python, you can sign up at ondevs.com. There are one-on-one lessons offered online. Just you and the instructor. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.